In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an invoice from Amazon. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So, whether you're managing your finances, preparing for tax season, or simply want to keep track of your purchases, knowing how to obtain an invoice from Amazon can be incredibly helpful. Let's dive into the steps. First things first, you need to log in to your Amazon account. For this, I recommend using a web browser, as the process tends to be a bit easier than through the mobile app. Open up your browser and go to the Amazon website. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials and you should be set to go. Once you're logged in, head to the top right corner of the page where you'll see the option for returns and orders. Clicking on this will take you directly to your order history. This section will display all your recent purchases, which is essential for finding the invoice you need. Now, it's time to locate the specific order for which you want the invoice. Keep in mind that invoices are only available for orders that have already shipped. Scroll through your orders until you find the one you're looking for. It can sometimes be a little treasure hunt, but just take your time. Once you've found the order in question, look for a link that says View Order Details, or simply Order Details, next to the item. Clicking this will take you to a detailed view of your order, where you'll see all the important information like the date of purchase, the shipping address, and of course, the invoice. Now here comes the fun part, downloading the invoice itself. You'll want to find an option that says Invoice or Download Invoice. This step varies slightly depending on the layout of the website at the time, but it is generally straightforward. After clicking on that option, you will have the choice to save it as a PDF or directly print it out. After you've selected your preferred format, simply follow the prompts on your screen to save it to your device. And just like that, you've successfully obtained your invoice from Amazon. Remember, having an invoice handy can help you with warranties, returns, and even budgeting. So it's always a good idea to keep track of these documents. If you run into any issues or have questions during this process, don't hesitate to drop a comment below. I'd be more than happy to help you out. And that wraps up today's tutorial on how to get an invoice from Amazon. I hope you found this information useful. Don't forget to like the video if you did, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.